Welcome to our comparison of the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Mini 4K. In this video, we'll explore the key features of both drones, helping you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The Mini 4 Pro is known for its superior camera and extended flight time, while the Mini 4K offers great value for beginners. Let's dive in. The DJI Mini 4 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 48 megapixels photos and 4K video at 60 FPS with HDR. In contrast, the Mini 4K has a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor, which offers 12 megapixels photos and 4K video at 30 FPS. This difference in camera quality makes the Mini 4 Pro a better choice for those prioritizing image quality and advanced video capabilities. When it comes to flight time, the DJI Mini 4 Pro excels with up to 45 minutes of flight per battery, thanks to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. The Mini 4K, on the other hand, offers a maximum flight time of 31 minutes. For users who want longer flights without the need to frequently change batteries, the Mini 4 Pro is the clear winner. Safety features are crucial for drone flying, and here the DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out with its omnidirectional obstacle sensing capabilities, allowing it to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. In contrast, the Mini 4K lacks any obstacle sensing features, making it less suitable for beginners who may need that extra layer of safety while flying. In conclusion, both the DJI Mini 4 Pro and Mini 4K have their strengths. The Mini 4 Pro is perfect for those seeking advanced features and superior image quality, while the Mini 4K is an excellent choice for beginners looking for a budget-friendly option. Whichever you choose, both drones offer impressive performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.